Okay, I'm back, and I just wanted to mention real quick as I go to put this thing on, that when I looked it up, the guy had a Gigabyte OC or Wind Force. Yeah, it's a Wind Force, the one with the 3 fans, and it also had a really poor job of polishing on the cold plate, the copper cold plate. So I mean, I guess that makes me feel a little bit better, but I don't know. I don't know why industry practice would be to use crap practices when it comes to getting a mirror finished. That just seems really stupid to me. Just putting some of this Arctic Silver onto the little rams. Little rams. Little thing's a ram. Little chips. I've heard that Arctic Silver takes a long time to set, and I don't know. I haven't had that experience. It kind of set, maybe not instantly for me, but I never got the outrageous temperatures that some people reported. And I don't know, maybe count myself lucky, but it just seemed like one of those fads that like one person said it and then everybody else was like, oh yeah, it must be true. Some guy on the internet said it, it has to be true. I heard from my uncle's brother twice removed. Yep. Okay. And last check to make sure everything is satisfactory. Everything seems good. I just want to set this down as evenly as possible. I'm just using this pair of tweezers to put the little fan header back in because it's hard to get to, but now we just flip this around. And we can begin putting the screws back in. Of course. Starting from the inside, working your way out, even pressure on each one. Work diagonally, all that jazz. Hopefully they don't crucify me if I ever have to RMA this card. Oh my god, come on, you dingus. While amazing for keeping even pressure on everything, these little things are annoying to work with. And by little things, I mean screws with tiny springs on them. this makes any appreciable difference, I'll do this to my other card as well, but this was like 60 minutes of work, and I better see at least 3 Celsius in temperature change to make it worth it. That's what they said I should expect. The flipping heatsink is big enough to keep it that cool, which leads me to believe that it's the thermal conductivity, or lack thereof, that was the only problem. This was a worthwhile experience, though. I recommend it. Probably won't be doing it with every card I own, like I said, but it was worth doing it this time. And remember, I'm not tightening these all the way. I'm just going through and putting them all in to make sure they all fit. And then I'll tighten them all later in the same pattern.
Hey.
Hello.
You recording? No, you're not recording.
Nope, I am.
You are recording.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Just say hi.
Oh. Hi, recording. Can I borrow your phone?
Why?
So I can, for psych, we're doing a project, and, I did my portion of it, and I need to send it to my friends so they can copy it down.
Do you not have your phone?
My phone camera is broken, remember? It'll take 2 seconds. Thank you.
And now I'm going through and tightening them. That was my brother, by the way. You never want to go too tight with electronics, but you don't want it to be flapping around in the wind either. Super windy outside. Now I just gotta put the screws on the back input output. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I suppose you have that to watch out for. There you go. Another mistake made by me, so you don't have to make it. I suppose I would recommend a short screwdriver as well, because you don't need a lot of torque, but you need to get into some tiny places. I just hope this helps someone. Like, it doesn't have to be the best, but, or even good. It just has to help someone. So many of these things are text-based and with less specific coolers or things that are easier to deal with, but this one, they really wanted you to remove every single piece. Like I said, Singularity computers, if you really want to do anything super special other than just replacing thermal paste, but that's it. I'm going to be doing maybe a couple more cleaning things. I like the way these little stickers say void if removed. I didn't remove them, I just stabbed them a little bit. But yeah, that's the XFX 7950 Dual Dissipation non-black edition. I have the black edition, but I don't have the black double dissipation edition. That's just real nice. I suppose I'll give you a quick look of where this thing actually ends up. Just taking it off my tripod. Right in there. On that slot. I've got my other 7950 down there, and I don't know if I'll be able to show you, but it's the... Yeah, see, it's got the single fan. It's probably hard to see, but there you go. That's my system. That's my little crossfire bridge over there. She's a little dirty, but I got plenty of stuff to clean her up with. That's pretty much it. Thanks for giving it a look, and I'll let you know if I failed catastrophically.